The consumer today. And that's what drives the GDP. That's what drives the stock market equities, what drives, housing. It drives everything. And if the consumer is tapped out, everything is going to take a hit. And if you just look at what's happened to the savings rate, which is in green, there was a big savings pop when? Well, during COVID, no one could spend any money and they were getting helicopter money, sent out, hand over fist. Can't spend it, stack it up, put it in your bank account and feel like you're rich. Go out and buy some cars and stuff like that you can't really afford, and it's all good, right? And now, but look what's happened to the debt now. It's surpassed over $1 trillion just in this last year. That's consumer debt. It's spiraled while the savings rate in the light green is all the way down. I think I heard it's down to like 2.9%. Here it shows 3.2. It's gone way down. What? The consumer is tapped out. And this bodes very negatively for really all investments, and it bodes negatively for businesses, our own practices. If the consumer's tapped out, they're only going to be getting emergency care. The big cases, the elective stuff. I mean, most people are tapped out, not going to be able to do it.